Have you ever wondered what the future might look like when artificial intelligence and virtual reality become inseparable? Indeed, it's a fascinating thought, isn't it? To set the scene, let's first take a step back and consider where we are right now. Artificial intelligence, once a concept confined to science fiction, is now an integral part of our everyday lives. Whether it's recommending your next binge-worthy series or predicting your shopping list, AI has become a silent partner, tirelessly working in the background. Virtual reality, on the other hand, has been steadily creating ripples, transforming the way we experience digital content. From immersive gaming to virtual tours of exotic locations, VR has been reshaping the boundaries of our imagination. But what happens when these two titans of technology come together? The result is nothing short of extraordinary: AI-enhanced virtual reality. Imagine a virtual world that's not just visually immersive but also cognitively engaging. A world that adapts to your preferences, learns from your interactions, and evolves with you. That's the promise of AI-enhanced virtual reality. In essence, AI acts as the brain of the VR experience, giving it the ability to understand and respond to user actions in real time. This integration of AI and VR is already making headway in various fields. For instance, in education, it can provide immersive, tailored learning experiences that adapt to individual learning styles. In healthcare, it's being used to create virtual environments for therapy or rehabilitation. As we look ahead, the potential of this synergy is enormous. We could be looking at completely personalized virtual experiences, adaptive gaming environments, or even virtual assistants that can anticipate our needs in the virtual world. But it's not just about the enhancements to our virtual experiences. It's also about how this technology will influence our understanding of reality itself. Will we start to prefer the customizability of the virtual world over our unpredictable reality? As we delve into the future, it becomes clear that the line between our reality and the virtual world will continue to blur. As AI and VR continue to evolve and intertwine, we are poised on the brink of a new era, where the distinction between the virtual and the real becomes increasingly indistinct. To appreciate the future, we must understand the past. So what exactly is traditional virtual reality, and how does it compare to AI-enhanced virtual reality? In the realm of technology, traditional virtual reality, often abbreviated as VR, has been a game changer. It's a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. From gaming to education to real estate, VR has found applications in a multitude of fields. It allows users to explore a fabricated world, offering an immersive experience that's visually compelling. However, traditional VR has its limitations. It's often pre-programmed and lacks the ability to adapt to individual users. The environments, while visually impressive, are often static and can't react or evolve based on the user's actions. This can sometimes lead to a less than optimal experience, hindering the feeling of truly being present in the virtual world. Enter AI-enhanced virtual reality. This innovative technology takes the concept of VR to an entirely new level. AI, or artificial intelligence, is used to make the VR experience more dynamic and interactive. Instead of predetermined environments, AI-enhanced VR can create and adapt scenarios in real time based on user behavior. This means the virtual world can change and evolve, just like the real one. Imagine walking through a virtual forest where the birds sing when you pass, or a virtual city where the traffic reacts to your presence. These are the kinds of experiences AI-enhanced VR can deliver. It not only increases immersion but also opens up exciting new applications. From more realistic training simulations for medical or military personnel to personalized virtual shopping experiences, the possibilities are endless and exhilarating. In essence, while traditional virtual reality takes us to different worlds, AI-enhanced virtual reality makes these worlds come alive. It's like the difference between watching a movie and being part of the story. The future of VR is not just about exploring new realities but truly interacting with them, and AI is the key to unlocking this potential. Now that we've seen the contrast, let's delve deeper into the role of AI in virtual reality. Artificial intelligence is the lifeblood that pulses through the veins of virtual reality, breathing life into otherwise static environments. Let's break down how AI achieves this, starting with the enhancement of realism. In virtual reality, the goal is to simulate a world that is as close to reality as possible. However, creating a world that perfectly mimics our own is a tall order. This is where AI steps in, using complex algorithms to replicate natural phenomena such as weather patterns, wildlife behavior, and even the physics of light and sound. Take, for example, a virtual reality game set in a jungle. With AI, the leaves rustle as the wind blows, the animals react to the player's presence, and the sunlight filters through the trees just as it would in real life. Next, we have the creation of dynamic environments. Traditional virtual reality worlds are pre-programmed and unchanging. Walk through the same virtual city 1,000 times, and you'll see the same buildings, the same people, the same cars. But with AI, these environments can evolve. Buildings can be constructed and demolished, people can age, and cars can change models. Every time you revisit, you're met with a world that's slightly different from the one you left. Lastly, AI improves user interaction. In the early days of virtual reality, interactions were limited and clunky. Picking up a virtual object or talking to a virtual character felt unnatural. But AI has changed that. With AI, virtual characters can understand and respond to spoken language, and virtual objects behave like their real-world counterparts. It's like you're really there, in the game, having a conversation with a character or picking up a virtual cup of coffee. Indeed, AI is the magic ingredient that transforms static virtual worlds into dynamic, immersive experiences. As we stand on the brink of this exciting new era, one thing is certain: the future of virtual reality is AI. We've journeyed through the technological timeline from the inception of traditional virtual reality to the dawn of AI-enhanced virtual reality. We've seen how AI has been instrumental in transforming the virtual reality landscape, enabling richer, more immersive, and personalized experiences. The potential of AI in virtual reality is immense. It promises to revolutionize various industries from gaming and entertainment to education and healthcare by creating virtual environments that are indistinguishable from reality. This technology can take us places we've never been, teach us things in ways we've never imagined, and offer experiences beyond our wildest dreams. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, we can only imagine the incredible virtual realities that await us. Until then, keep dreaming, keep innovating, and remember, the future is closer than you think.